Decimals and fractions confuse a lot of people, but what if I told you converting them is actually one of the easiest math skills once you know the trick? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert decimals into fractions, step by step, with clear examples. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, this will feel effortless. What does a decimal really mean? A decimal is just another way of showing a fraction. The digits after the decimal point tell us how many parts of a whole we have using tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. Before we learn how to convert decimals into fractions, let's learn the decimal properties. In this example 2.2, the first number is the whole number. The point is the decimal point, and the last number is the tenths. The key rules for converting decimals into fractions. Here's the rules you need to remember. The number of decimal places tells you the denominator. 1 decimal place means over 10. 2 decimal places mean over 100. 3 decimal places mean over 1,000. Let's start with 0.4. First, notice the 0 before the decimal. That tells us there are 0 whole numbers, so this value is less than 1. Next, look at the digit after the decimal point. The 4 is in the tenths place, which means this number represents 4 tenths. We write that as 4 over 10. Now we simplify. Both 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. When we divide the top and bottom by 2, we get 2 over 5. So 0.4 as a fraction is 2/5. Now let's look at 0.75. Again, the 0 before the decimal means there are no whole numbers, only a fraction of a whole. Count the decimal places. There are 2 digits after the decimal point, so this number is written in hundredths. That means 0.75 is 75 hundredths, or 75 over 100. Now we simplify. Both 75 and 100 can be divided by 25. When we do that, we get 3 over 4. So 0.75 written as a fraction is 3/4. Now let's try a slightly longer decimal, 0.125. The 0 before the decimal still means 0 whole units. Count the decimal places. There are 3 digits after the decimal, which means we're working with thousandths. So 0.125 is 125 thousandths, written as 125 over 1,000. Now simplify. Both numbers are divisible by 125. Divide the top and bottom by 125, and you get 1 over 8. So 0.125 as a fraction is 1/8. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Comment below if you want a video on converting repeating decimals back into fractions.